work as senior ML engineer. Where do you see the biggest value in being part of Omdena?
Okay. Omdena for me is a step of a paradigm shifting process. At this point of time when I joined Omdena the first time, I loved the idea because I want to work on a real world project. It shifted me from just being some enthusiast about machine learning and AI. And after I have learned a lot in some courses and applied some algorithms on some public data sets, finally I have found a global team of different backgrounds, different cultures, and different experiences that we work together to solve a real world problem that was different. And that was a big change in my career as a machine learning engineer. My eyes has opened to see another opportunities in the world that I can learn from. And as example, I'll give you an example. What my previous experience was just creating projects using prototyping and notebooks development to create some experiments for analyzing data or developing some machine learning algorithm to make some predictions. But after I joined Omdena, I have shifted to developing high-scale machine learning projects. Like my first project, as example, I created a pipeline that is easily deployable to any cloud provider, and it can run in the production environment where the real-world projects should be. Afterwards, I love the idea. I have learned from experienced engineers and skilled people. I love the idea, and I joined as my second project and the third. Meanwhile, I have been given the opportunity to work as in the talent program for Omdena as a part-timer, and this was also great because I resumed my work in the first project I have joined Omdena with, and I have completed in many phases of this project, and I have seen the impact. I've seen the impact in the real world after they have achieved some great results from our algorithms and our development cycles. So this is from my experience.
So about your experience, what could you say to the person, to someone who is on the similar journey? What key learnings you could say?
Okay. If you are at the beginning or at this stage of the journey, that you are just need to work on some real thing to see how experienced people in this industry works, I think you can join Omdena for doing this. You can achieve this in Omdena. And I know most of my colleagues that joined the first project, they didn't get enough of it from the first one, and they joined another projects and they completed their journey. I started as a junior machine learning engineer, and then I am now have been assigned as a lead machine learning engineer in the projects, and I feel it. I feel that you will got transitioned from just doing simple things and playing with toy data sets to playing with the real thing, and this will make all of the impact, and your opportunities will arise afterwards.
Could you tell me about any books, courses, or additional material that helped you the most?
Yes. First of all, AWS Machine Learning Certificate for machine learning specialty. This one was a big one, tough one, but it was great. It helped me a lot in all of the projects that I worked in afterwards. Because AWS is a very, very big cloud provider in the market right now, and most of the projects are based on their services to deploy the machine learning algorithms to the cloud. Also, recently I started focus on machine learning operations. This one is really huge and needs a lot of skills, and the market still needs a lot of people to be good in this part, specifically to productionize their machine learning algorithms. As example, I
Okay.
have a book, MLOps, Practical MLOps. This one is really great. I recommend it for anyone who wants to go to this topic.